Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making some fresh, nutritious, and delicious Greek chicken grain bowls, inspired by the Mediterranean diet. This recipe packs a punch with its high protein content and is full of fiber, whole grains, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals, great for your overall health, and absolutely delicious, full of color. Let's get started.
First up, let's go over the ingredients and all of the materials that we will need for this recipe. First, what we will need is a lemon. Next, a red onion. Next, you need a bag or box of quinoa. Feta cheese. Next, you could get fresh or pre-chopped kale. Next, you need some Kalamata olives. Next, you need some cherry tomatoes and cut up cucumbers. Next, you need some chicken breasts. The ingredients for the lemon oregano dressing. First up, we have oregano. Next up, we have garlic powder. Next up, we have black pepper. Then next, we have some kosher salt. And then we have Dijon mustard. And to top it all off, we have extra virgin olive oil.
Here we are showing you how to mince the lemon zest using a knife and a cutting board, ensuring that your fingers are out of the way at all times. Here we are showing you how to chop the red onion. It is very similar to the lemon zest, and you will do the exact same with the tomatoes.
Awesome. If you did buy pre-chopped kale, make sure to wash it in the sink using a strainer and then chop it using your cutting board into bite-sized pieces.
Now we are going to begin cooking the quinoa. Turn on your stove to medium to low heat until the quinoa comes to a boil and absorbs all of the water. Next, place your chicken in a pan with the lemon zest, a few seasonings of your choice, along with olive oil. To ensure your chicken is cooked to the proper temperature of 165 degrees, check it with a meat thermometer if available. This ensures your reduction risk of foodborne illness. To begin making the sauce, you are going to add the juice of 2 lemons.
Now we're going to add 8 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the lemon juice. Now we need to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard to the dressing cup.
Next, I'm going to add our garlic that was minced into our dressing.
Next, we're going to add a pinch of salt. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano to the dressing. Now we add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper to the dressing cup.
Finally, when the chicken is done, slice it into medium to thick pieces. These ingredients support the Mediterranean diet. It is an eating pattern that focuses on whole, less processed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, whole grains, nuts, legumes, fish, seeds, olive oil, and other healthy fats. This is an eating pattern that has been shown to lower risk for heart disease, diabetes, cancer, mental illness like depression. The chicken is lean with lots of protein. The quinoa is a whole grain, full of fiber and vitamins and minerals. The colorful vegetables are full of fiber too, with vitamins and minerals to keep you healthy. The feta cheese is our dairy source, full of calcium and vitamin B12, and the dressing has olive oil, which is full of healthy fats.
So today we made an easy, nutrient-packed grain bowl full of delicious foods that go along with the Mediterranean diet that we hope you and your family will enjoy.